Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to give your Power BI reports a fresh, professional look, today's tutorial is absolutely for you. We're going to walk through step by step how to add background images to your Power BI report and how to adjust the transparency on your visuals so you can create clean, beautiful dashboards that really stand out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enhance the visual impact of your reports, making your data not only informative but visually impressive. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Power BI open and a report ready to work on. This process works in Power BI Desktop, and it's a simple way to add a personal touch or some company branding to your dashboards. If this is your first time customizing visuals in Power BI, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. So to add a background image, start by looking up at the top ribbon of Power BI. You'll see a tab labeled Insert. This is your go-to for adding all sorts of elements like text boxes, shapes, and of course, images. Click on Insert and then look for the Image option from the drop-down menu. This is what allows you to bring in your own pictures. Maybe it's a cool abstract background, your company logo, or even a themed image that supports your data story. Once you click to add an image, Power BI will pop up a dialog box just like when you're attaching a file to an email. At this point, you can browse through your folders, find the picture you want to use, and select Open. Don't worry if your image doesn't look perfect right away. You'll be able to resize and position it wherever you want on your canvas. Take a moment here to drag the corners, move it around, and make sure it's placed exactly where you want it. You can layer it behind your charts or use it as a decorative accent, depending on your style or the story you want to tell with your data. Now let's talk about transparency, which is a great way to make sure your background image isn't overpowering your visuals. You want your data to remain easy to read, even if your dashboard looks fantastic. To adjust the transparency of your visuals or images, select the item you want to tweak. It could be a chart, a card, or the image itself. Then over in the right-hand panel, go to the General Settings and look for Effects. This is where you can add or reduce transparency depending on the look you're going for. You'll notice there's a transparency slider. Simply drag it to the right to make your visual more see-through, or to the left to make it stand out. If you're layering images and charts, it's a good idea to find a balance so your report is both attractive and readable. Maybe you want just a hint of your company's branding in the background, or maybe you need your graphs to pop with minimal distraction. Play around here, and don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try. You can always adjust transparency later if you change your mind. And really, that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can transform your Power BI report from a plain grid of numbers into a visually striking dashboard that communicates your message with style. If you have any questions about background images, transparency, or anything else Power BI related, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Power BI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.